So we have finished with our first chapter of preposition yesterday. Now we are going to see today unit number 107, prepositions, part 2. Okay, in, on, at, again we are going to see today in our class with part 2. What do you mean by part 2? As I've already mentioned yesterday that some of the people were getting confused again and again that when to use in, when to use on, when to use at. The simple answer is there. We use in, on and at for multiple purposes. We have multiple usages of in and on and at. Okay, it doesn't mean that when something is big and when something is inside only we are going to use the in. We can use their in for ideas, for expressions, for emotions, and for the other things as well, which we are going to see today here in our class. So this is the second part of our prepositions. As yesterday the students were getting confused that when to use in, when to use on, when to use at. So I'm going to show you today that we can use in, on, at for multiple purposes. As I've given you yesterday the answer, the local answer was there for in. Use in for when something is big and when something is
Inside.
inside. It is not the full definition, because yesterday only I've just told you that we have more than 5 to 6 usages of in. Same for at, same for on. Okay, in, on, at are these basic prepositions of English which contain more than 5 to 7, more than 5 to 7. Just a minute. अरे चाहिए मेरा पासवर्ड बाद में, अभी नहीं, बाद में. Sorry. So more than 5 to 7 usages we have of prepositions in, on and at. So yesterday we have done the first chapter. Today we are going to start with the second one. Let's get started now. So in, at, and on, 100 in unit number 7. Okay, 107 unit number. So here in we are using for some activities and for emotions. For some activities, for ideas, we are going to use their in. दिमाग से ध्यान देना आप लोग का यहाँ पे प्लीज. एड़े के ऐसे बाद में क्वेश्चन करना नहीं कुछ भी. ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज. We use in here for activities and for emotions. For activities and emotions. When are we going to finish over this batch?
13th of November. 30 November.
November 30th, right?
30th.
Special batch. 2 p.m. finished. Okay. Now, before we go ahead, we'd like to tell you a great news for all of you. The gift is there. The gift for all of you is what the students haven't cleared the fee yet. Won't be able to attend class after 30th, means from the next week. Okay. So the students haven't cleared the fee. Please clear the fee. As I can see, yeah, most of them are with cleared fee, and the students haven't cleared the fee. Please clear the fee. Okay, else you won't be allowed to sit in the class from Monday. Next one. So in, at, and on. In, at, and on. So now here we go. In bed, in hospital, in the sky, in the world, in newspaper, in a book, in a photograph, in a picture, in a car, in a taxi, in the middle of, etc. Some of the people were making sentences yesterday as well with in, with such things, but I didn't jerk them off. मैंने उन लोगों को रुकाया नहीं कल. Why? Because they would have got, uh, confused. That's why I didn't push them off from there. So let's go here. In bed. For example, where is Kate? She's in bed. मतलब वो बिस्तर में है. So बिस्तर is what? An activity idea है. इसके लिए we are going to use the in. In hospital means what? Admit है. कोई अगर बोलेंगे हम लोग, अरे my uncle is in hospital. अरे क्या हुआ उनको? क्या हुआ मतलब यानी admit है, इसके लिए तो hospital में ना. Yes or no? So David's father is ill. He is in hospital. वो hospital में है मतलब यानी activity. Next. In the sky. In the sky, something is big, we can say in the sky. For example, I like to look at the stars in the sky at night. In the sky, asman mein. Next, in the world. What's the largest city in the world when something is big? Next, in a newspaper, newspaper may. Not inside, but the activity. In a book, not inside, but the activity. For example, what's the largest city in the world? Next, I read about the incident or accident in the newspaper. I read a story in that book. Next, in a photograph, in a picture. You look sad in this picture. इस picture के अंदर तो मतलब big भी नहीं है, inside भी नहीं है. It is what idea. Next one. In a car, in a taxi. Did you go home? Did you come here in a taxi? Did you come here in a car? So did you come here in a car? Did you go home in a taxi? I came in my car. Next, in the middle of, yesterday we have seen this one. In the middle, there is a big garden. They are showing when something is big, we are going to use there in. In a big garden, there is a big tree in the middle of the garden. In the middle of the garden. In the middle of the garden. Can you please give me sentences with in? In with when for activities, for emotions, for ideas, we are going to use their in. Continue.
She's in the park.
She's in the park.
She's studying in the study room.
Good. Yes.
You will find that shop in the middle of the market.
Correct. Yes.
You will find that page in the middle of the book.
Good.
Middle of that book.
In the middle. Yes.
She in the hospital.
She's in the hospital. She's in the hospital. Yes, continue.
McDonald's in the mall.
Yeah, McDonald's is in the mall. Next. Continue.
I saw him in the market.
I saw him in the market.
The AC has been fixed in the room.
Repeat.
The AC has been fixed in the room.
Correct. The AC has been fixed in the room. Yes, continue, please. Please make sentences, all of you. Please don't be quiet. Miss Sania, Mr. Gauss, Mr. Amir, make sentences. Mr. Shakir, Mubashir, in. In we are using for activities and for emotions. For example, I have some ideas in my mind. I have some ideas in my mind. In.
You look sad.
For
in
example,
this
I don't know
picture.
what's in his heart. The heart is an activity emotion. I don't know what's in his heart. मुझे नहीं पता है. Yes, continue.
She's look pretty in this picture.
She looks pretty in this picture.
I have a pain in my leg.
I have a pen in my leg.
She looks sad in this picture.
She looks sad in this picture. Please don't make sentences from the book. Don't copy from here. Make your own sentences faster.
The phone has been
Next.
plugged into the charger.
Very good.
I watch movies in mobile.
Correct. I watch movies in my mobile. Mobile may. So activity. It is kind of activity. Mr. Shakir, make sentences.
The mobile is in my pocket.
The mobile is in my pocket.
There are lots
There
of
is-
clothes in the wardrobe.
Repeat, sir.
There are lots of clothes in the wardrobe.
There are a lot of clothes in the wardrobe.
There is
There's
nothing
a
in the
big tree
garden.
in the middle of the garden.
Repeat once again.
There is nothing in the garden.
There is nothing in the garden. Yes.
I don't
There is
have
a big tree in the middle of the garden.
Repeat, sir.
There is a big tree in the middle of the garden.
There is a big tree in the middle of the garden.
I am in the earth.
I'm on the earth.
I'm on the earth.
You can purchase it in that shop.
You can purchase it in that shop.
I'm in the bed of roses.
I'm in the bed of roses.
There's so much of garbage littered in the room.
Very good.
I am in the pink.
Very good.
I don't have money in my bank account.
I don't have money in my bank account.
There is a counter in the bank.
Very good.
I have money in my pocket.
I have money in my pocket.
There is nothing in the street.
There is nothing in the street.
The boys stand in a line.
The boys are standing in the line. The boys stand in the line. Both are correct. Continuous and all. Continue.
Your
There
ring
are
might
more
have been
movies.
fallen down in the trash bin.
Repeat.
Your ring might have been fallen down in the trash bin.
Correct. Your ring might have been fallen down in the trash bin. Next.
There are more movies in my computer.
There are more movies in my computer. बहुत easy है, बहुत easy है. Make sentences, please.
Don't
Yeah.
park your car in front of the gate.
Repeat, sir.
Don't park your car in front of the gate.
In front of the gate. Okay.
My father was working in company.
In a company.
In a company.
Yes.
You
This
can
is the
sign
best
in your
way to.
account ASAP.
Repeat.
You can sign in your account ASAP.
Very good.
This is the
You
best
can
way
sign
to.
in your account ASAP. Yes.
This is the best way to invest in it.
This is the best way to invest in it. Yes.
You will get that book in my bag.
You'll get that book in my bag.
I'm in
Yes.
the flat. I'm in the house.
I'm in the house.
She's in that taxi.
She's in the taxi.
You
He's
can put the clothes in the machine.
Correct. In the machine. Yes.
he sold vegetable in market.
He sold vegetables in the market. Yes.
The faucet is in corner of the
The
house.
faucet is in the corner.
The flyover is connected to the 3 roads in Pune.
In Pune. Tanya madam, make sentences. Don't sit quiet.
There are kites in the sky.
There is a kite in the sky.
There is a kite in the sky.
There is some problem in the cooler.
Correct.
She wants to fly in the sky.
She wants to fly in the sky.
You can log in your account with Amazon.
Correct.
You can log in.
In
She's
Amazon.
not interested in that work.
Yes, correct. She's not interested in that work.
There is a UFO in the sky.
In the sky. Continue.
We sit in the room.
We sit in a room. जुबैर को बोलते हैं फोन करके उसको.
They make golden handshake in that interview.
Very good.
There are
Yes.
29 states in India.
Correct. There are 29 states in India.
There are lots of cocks and bulls in my mind.
Very good. There are a lot of cocks and bulls in my mind.
I have so many applications in my mobile.
There is less charging in my mobile. There is less battery in my mobile.
I have butterflies in my stomach.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
हाँ बोलना भाई.
कोई तो गया लगता है अभी.
Sir,
तो गया नहीं. सर ही गए लगता.
हाँ. हेलो मुबशिर.
हाँ भैया बोलना भाई.
कहाँ थे इतने दिन? बिरयानी.
अरे क्या बोलना भाई, पुणे को आया तो तबीयत ही खराब हो गई मेरी, तो 3 दिन रेस्ट पे ही था.
अरे तो अपने को सोते सोते भी मोबाइल पे चल जाती मीटिंग, उसमें क्या है?
अरे सब सेंटेंस बात ये.
लाइट नहीं रहे तो अलग बात।
अरे मेरे यहाँ तो रोज लाइट जा रही है, आज भी नहीं है।
वही बोल रहा, लाइट
हाँ।
नहीं रहे बात है।
अरे भाई मैं भी कोंडवा में चाय लाऊं ना भाई, मेरे पास लाइट है ना।
नहीं, मैं देखा उधर अपने इधर थोड़ा काम चल रहा था, वो अमजद के हॉस्पिटल के पास।
आ गया।
अच्छा अच्छा,
हाँ।
मैं यूनिटी पार्क में है लाइट मगर।
अदनान तो बहुत प्रैक्टिस में लेगी ना क्या?
हाँ ना,
हाँ,
क्या?
अदनान प्रैक्टिस में लग रहा बोला बहुत।
चलो चलो, लग रहा उन्हें पण चलो। Any doubts here? Oh, उन्हें पण चलो। Any doubts?
नो सर।
Hello?
नो सर,
नो
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 सर,
नो।
नो सर।
क्या आप लोग ऐसे ढिल्ले गए बैठे? अरे यार, मैं छोड़ना यार, मैं कहीं को बोलूंगा, ऐसा मत बैठिए प्लीज।
आवाज लैग हो रही तुम्हारी।
अरे
हाँ
नेटवर्क
सर,
का बहुत इशू आ रहा है एकदम, आई डोंट नो व्हाई। इन द लास्ट बैच इट वाज नथिंग, लास्ट बैच में बहुत जबरदस्त चल रहा था। आप लोग ढंग आए क्या नहीं? चलो नेक्स्ट, मजाक कर रहा हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, नहीं भी है तो घर पे ही आप लोग, समझ में आता है मेरे। नेक्स्ट, एट्स। When do we use ats? Same case, yesterday I've showed you at we are using for exact place and exact position, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Exact place and exact position के लिए at use करते हैं, but now if you see here, we are going to use here at for expressions and ideas and emotions. All right, for example, at home. Home is what? An activity. As I've told you already that home is an activity. For that activity we are going to use the at. For example, will you be at home this evening? क्या आप घर पे रहेंगे? तो घर पे रहेंगे at. Okay, will you be at home this evening? Next one, at work, at school. For example, where's Kate? Oh, she's at work. Where's Kate? She's at school. So at school, at work. स्कूल पे हैं, काम पे, अपन
हेलो
हेलो।
My name is Isabel, I'm 19 years old. तो मतलब उसका सच में हिंदी में हेलो।
बाकी लोग
Hello?
को आवाज आ रही क्या अंसर भाई की जो
Hello?
बोले अभी?
नहीं आ रही।
नहीं आ रही, नहीं आ रही भाई।
ऐड
अरे
कैसे
तो बोलना तो चाहिए, आप लोग बोलते नहीं है यार।
अरे हम हेलो हेलो कर रहे हैं
Just a
इधर
minute,
से।
नहीं आ रही आवाज भाई।
हाँ?
हेलो,
यस सर।
यस
आवाज
सर।
आ रही है अभी आप?
अभी आ रही
हाँ।
सर।
क्लियरली आ रही है? हेलो?
बीच बीच हो रही थोड़ी। हेलो।
अरे नेटवर्क की प्रॉब्लम है भाई।
I don't know. हेलो,
नहीं सर, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही बिल्कुल भी।
हाँ सर, आपकी आवाज
नहीं
ब्रेक
आ रही है?
ब्रेक हो रही, ब्रेक हो रही।
हाँ सर, ब्रेक हो रही, लैग हो रही।
वो ब्रेक होके आ रही है।
Your
अभी
voice is lagging.
अभी भी?
Am I right? Yes sir.
नहीं अभी जरा ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा आगे देखें क्या होता तो।
अरे
अभी लाइक हो
अभी
रही।
तो ठीक है, अब
अभी
आगे
like-
देखेंगे क्या होता है।
अरे
अभी लाइक हो
बस,
रही।
अभी फिर से हो गया, अभी रुक गए सर।
तुम लोग
हाँ हाँ
So,
हाँ हाँ, अभी लाइक हो गई, लाइक हो गई।
सर ब्रेक हो रही सर आपकी
हेलो?
आवाज।
अभी बीच में गायब हो गई थी पूरी।
अरे यार, आई डोंट नो एक्चुअली, वॉइस थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है इधर नेटवर्क का आज, आई डोंट नो हाउ एंड व्हाई।
इतने लोग वाईफाई यूज कर रहे, तुम्हारा सबको डिस्कनेक्ट कर डालो, खाली क्लास चालू रखो।
हाँ यस सर।
Is it clear? Hello?
सर अभी भी ब्रेक हो रही सर।
Okay, just do one thing.
ब्रेक हो रही।
एक काम कीजिए, आप डिस्कनेक्ट करके वापस कनेक्ट कीजिए आप सभी लोग।
ओके सर।
यस सर, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ
डिस्कनेक्ट करके वापस कनेक्ट कीजिए प्लीज, ऑल ऑफ यू।
नहीं, मेरे को मेरा पासवर्ड
With at once again. So when do we use at? At we are using for exact position and exact time. But here we are going to use at for expressions,
Activity.
ideas, emotions, and
Idea.
activities. expressions, ideas, emotions, and activities we are going to use here at. For example, as you can see over here, at home, at work, at school, at the university, at college, at the station, at the airport, at Lisa's house, at my sister's house, at the doctors, at the hairdressers, at the concert, at a party, at a football match, etc. Now here, they are using at for activities, emotions, and ideas. For example, will you be at home this evening? अपन बोलते हैं यार मैं घर पे हूँ, तो घर पे मतलब है नहीं, I'm at home. We are using at for. We are using at for
Ideas.
activity. Ideas and activity. Next one, at work, at school. For example, where is Kate? She's at work. Where's the father? He's at home. So at home, at work, at school, we can use it. Okay. Where is that? Where is Lisa? She's at school. She's at work. Next one, at university, at college. Helen is studying law at university. University mein. Now, one more thing is there I would like to tell you, if you are translating any language, it will become something nonsense. अगर आप लोग ट्रांसलेशन कर रहे हैं लैंग्वेज का, हो ही नहीं सकता है, गलत हो जाएगा वो. ट्रांसलेशन करने की कोशिश करना नहीं भूले से भी. If you are saying that I'm studying in this college, सही है, but यहाँ पे ट्रांसलेशन उसका नहीं चलेगा. Helen is studying law at university. University पर, तो अब हिंदी में तो ऐसे बोलते नहीं है, but in English they say like this. Next one, at the station, at the airport. Yesterday I also told you that Isabel. My name is Isabel. I'm 19 years old and I'm a student at university. At university, not in. Next one, at the station, at the airport. I'll meet you at the station. Is it okay? So I'll meet you at the station. Station पर मैं आपको मिलूंगा. The bus standing at the airport. Airport पर खड़ी है. At the airport, at the station. Next one. Tonight I'm staying at Lisa's. So where were you yesterday? I was at my sister's. So sisters, at my sister's, sister के घर पर. At Lisa's, Lisa के घर पर. So I was standing, I was waiting for you at Lisa's, Lisa के घर पर. At the doctor's, doctor के यहाँ पर. At the hairdresser's, hairdresser के यहाँ पर. So please meet me at the hairdresser's. Please see you at the, yeah, I saw him at the doctor's. मैंने उसको यहाँ पे डॉक्टर के यहाँ पर देखा.
ये
Okay.
बाकी लोग को मीटिंग जरा ये करो ना, म्यूट करो बाकी लोग को. बैकग्राउंड वॉइस आ रही कहाँ से तो भी.
वही मुझे भी थोड़ा सा हो रहा था. Okay, so I was at Lisa's house. मतलब मैं लीजा के यहाँ पर था. I was at my sister's. मैं सिस्टर के घर पर था. तो मेरे सिस्टर के घर पर Lisa's house. I saw him at the doctor's. मैंने डॉक्टर के यहाँ पे उसको देखा था. Next, at a concert, at a party, at a football match. For example, I saw Tom at the doctor's. मैंने डॉक्टर के यहाँ से टॉम को देखा था. There weren't many people at the party. पार्टी पे ज्यादा लोग नहीं थे. मैंने आपको एक पार्टी पे बुलाया है. तो पार्टी पे बुलाया है तो हम लोग ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, बट लिटरली ट्रांसलेशन नहीं होता है. कोई भी लैंग्वेज का ले लो, लिटरली ट्रांसलेशन नहीं होता है. किसी भी लैंग्वेज को आप लो, लिटरली उसका ट्रांसलेशन नहीं हो पाएगा. So this is what at a concert, at a party, at a football match, all these are what kind of activities, and for them we are going to use their at. I want you to make sentences with at now, with activities. Can you please start? At.
I'm at home tonight.
I'm at home tonight.
I'll be
Yes.
at the stadium.
The stadium. Very good. अगर आप पूछे तो आप बोल सकते हैं.
At my grandma's place.
किसकी आवाज आ रही है?
ये आवाज सर किसके पास है?
से कोई रो रहा है, इसको उधर थोड़ा.
हाँ.
Mr. Amir, can you please sit in another room, please? चलो, continue, please.
She's going at her grandma's place.
Correct, at his grandma's.
I will be at home at Diwali.
Correct. In Diwali.
I'm at the station. I'm at the station.
In Diwali, हाँ? At Diwali नहीं. I'll be at home in Diwali.
Sir, with festivals we use at.
Who said this?
Sir, I read it on Cambridge website yesterday.
What was the context? Can you please tell me?
Sir, I was just searching that how to use prepositions. So in that.
Continue, please, guys. Continue. Till that, continue, please.
Please meet me at market, at the market.
Please wait for me in the market.
I'm at the station last night.
Continue. Very good.
I met John at a party.
I was at last time. बाद में.
I met Olga at the party.
Just a minute, please. I'm really sorry.
UK. How to pronounce?
Continue, please. Make sentences, please. I'm so sorry.
Can you please meet me at party?
Can you please meet me at the party?
I am at your shop.
I'm at your shop.
I will complete my work. I will at work after winding up my work.
Correct. At.
I will be there at 5.
Repeat once again.
I will be there at 5.
Correct. I'll be there at 5. Yes.
The bike is at the stop. At bus stop.
The bike is
At bus stop.
at the bus stop.
At the bus stop.
Next.
I study economics at university.
I study economics at university.
I study computer science at university.
I study computer science at university. Next.
He'll be at home.
He'll be at home.
Will be at
Yes.
I will meet at him.
क्या बोल रहे हैं मेरे भाई?
I will
Sir,
meet at
can we make the sentence like this? I purchased it at rupees 10.
Yeah. We can say. Continue.
I will meet at him. It is right, sir.
I will meet him at him. नहीं मेरे भाई.
तो सर एग्जैक्ट क्या होगा फिर?
Hello.
फिर से प्रॉब्लम हुआ सर का नेटवर्क.
हाँ.
क्या है ये यार.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Continue, please. At with activities, please.
He is at the mall. At the mall. He's at the mall.
At the mall. Yes.
He is looking at the park.
Very good.
I saw you standing at his shop.
Very good.
I'm
At the
standing
shop. Yes.
I'm standing at your shop.
Very good. Yes.
The shop is at street. The shop is at the street.
Madam, can you please give me the screenshot if you have so?
Sir, I will send you after some time.
Sure. What was the sentence? Can you please repeat once again?
I will be at home at Diwali.
Next one, please. Continue. Continue, please. Continue.
Sir, which one will be correct? That let's say he came at time or he came on time?
He came on time. On time.
Can two same preposition come in one sentence?
Can same preposition come in one sentence, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can. We can put them at certain place with certain context. Context matters a lot.
So for example,
For example, I will be at home at 9.
9.
So we can put there at. She was in Paris in summer. So we can use it in
Voice
no
lagging.
problem at all. Yes, continue, please.
Sir, your voice is logging.
Voice lagging हो रही बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yeah, actually, there's a little problem. Still, please. Actually, I'm listening you well. So, yes,
I will be at your home tomorrow.
I'll be at your home tomorrow. Next,
The player
I'm-
hit century at the age of 16.
the player hit the century at the age of 60.
I'm sitting at the college.
I'm sitting at the college.
You can't be
Now,
harsh at her.
very good. If you see here, they have given, just a minute, please. If you see yesterday, often it is possible to use in or at for buildings, hotels, restaurants, etc. We stayed at a nice hotel. We stayed in a nice hotel. Both are correct. Sometimes two prepositions at different places, we can, no problem. Yes, continue. Continue.
They can stay here tonight. At tonight.
They can stay here tonight. Next.
You were very late at his party.
Correct. At his party.
I was at my friend's house.
Very good. Yes.
Nobody at the door.
Nobody is at the door.
Nobody is at the
Yes.
We will go to the market at noon.
Correct. At noon.
You shouldn't be rude at him.
Yes.
I'll be leaving at 6 o'clock from the office.
Correct. At 6.
The children are at grandmother's.
At grandmother's. Grandmother के घर पर है. Mubashir, make sentences. Goss.
He is at his brother.
He is at his brother's. Brothers. Brother के यहाँ. So brothers.
He
Continue.
shouted a lot at his brother.
Correct. He shouted a lot at his brother. Next.
I am attending lecture at class.
Not exactly.
I am at work, my company.
I'm at work in my company.
with my
She
company.
is at night out.
Repeat. She's at night out. She's at night out today. Yeah, we can say she's at night out concert today. We can say yes.
She may
I'm
be at bus stop.
working at night.
At the bus stop. Yes,
I'm working at night.
I'm working at night.
She left her mobile at the shop.
She left her mobile at the shop.
The train was at the station.
The train was at the station.
Now it's departed.
Now it's departing. Yeah. Yes,
There is a hive at the tree.
correct. At the tree. Tree bird. We can say on the tree and at the tree. Both are correct. Both are correct over there.
He's hiring Charlie intelligent people at his company.
In his company,
In his
not at his company.
He was angry at you.
company.
Correct. He was angry at you.
Meet me
So
at the
we can
terrace.
use at or at with the words him, she, you, them, right?
Pardon?
We can use the word at with words him, she, him, you, them.
Absolutely,
We can
absolutely. We
use
can
it,
say
right? Okay, sir.
correct. We can say
Because grammatically, like it will be correct. She was rude on him. Like this, it will be correct, right? Or we can use she was rude at him also.
yeah.
Okay, sir.
We can. Both are correct. And we can say she. She's angry at me. He's shouting
Yes,
at me.
sir.
So we can say like this. So instead of saying me, we can say him, her, anything. It is absolutely correct. Yes, continue.
She's blaming at me.
She's blaming me. Simple.
Blaming me. Okay.
Yeah.
Meet me at the terrace.
At the terrace.
Meet me
All
at the
right.
corner of the street.
You are taking lecture at your place.
Correct. Yes.
Meet me the corner of no, meet me at the corner of the street.
Correct. Meet me at the corner of the street. At the corner. All right.
Cut
Now
the
here
crap
we go.
and come at the
Yeah,
point.
repeat, repeat. Repeat.
Cut the crap and come at the point.
Come at the point.
She went at
Come
the balcony.
at the balcony. Yeah. Yesterday we discussed this. Yeah, correct. At the balcony. Yes.
He fell down from his balcony.
Okay. Next one. At the juncture, we can say at the moment, at the juncture. We can say at for times as well. For example, Ali, I'm not working. I'm working at the juncture. मैं भी काम कर रहा हूँ अभी फिलहाल में. I can't call you at this juncture. Please have a look here at the moment. At the moment, ये वाले moment पर. At the juncture means what right now? अभी. So at the juncture, at the moment. All right. And see, yesterday I was just searching for the things. आपके इमरान सर है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Imran Mirza Beg.
मिर्जा बेग? बेग नहीं है.
Imran Mirza नाम है ना.
Imran Qureshi sir.
दो सर है.
यही सर है ना अपने?
दूसरे सर बोल रहे हो मेरे सर.
हाँ
अरे
ये
जो ये ना,
yes sir.
Yes sir.
तो ये जनाब का वो टाइम पे मैंने इनको सीवी के अंदर हेल्प किया था. ये इनका सीवी था. दिख रहा है?
Yes sir.
ये हैं आपके सर. बहुत ही काबिल इंसान है. सो मैं आपको ये बता रहा था. सेकेंड थिंग, प्लीज डिजाइन योर सीवी and if you want to correct it, so just send it to me. As I'll get the time, I'll correct it and we'll send back to you. Okay? So
Yes,
if you want to correct your CV,
Sir,
So-
can you tell which points can we add in our CV?
I'll send you the format of the CV, so you can just go through this and you can add there the things. So it will help you a
How
lot.
will a fresher make a CV if
Hi sir.
he or
Pap-
she is a
pap-
totally
pap-
fresher?
Pardon. How to make a CV when you are totally naive, right?
Naive. Yes sir.
sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to share with you. Two sort of,
How,
see, one of my own CV I'll be
Okay,
sharing with
sir.
you, and another one will
how
be
to
your simple
Format.
so simple format will be shared with you, and even my.
Resume.
See here, here it is, my. This is what my CV. I'm gonna convert it into PDF. What could be the size? What could be the alignment? You should know each and everything. So just first design it, send it to me, then I'll check it. See, starting में क्या लिखा हूँ मैंने? The result-oriented professional with 5 years plus experience with rich and extensive experience in English teaching, educational assessment and student relations, extramural communication with flair and inspirational influence people, leveraging initiate capabilities in teaching spoken English and fostering cohesive student learning atmosphere, out of the box thinker with the experience in designing and implementing practices in education, including interactive and innovative training as well as educational contents for students, accomplished and in establishing and implementing program review and outcome assessment criteria, standard systems and procedures, dynamic instructor and thought leader focused on providing students with a rigorous and challenging education along with the expertise to build and advance towards a framework with success, highly skilled in developing curriculum to accommodate different learning styles and maximizing students comprehension. कितने लोगों को समझ में आया क्या लिखा हुआ है जी? क्योंकि सामने वाले ने पढ़ने के बाद में बोलना चाहिए अरे हाँ था कुछ तो पर अच्छा था कुछ तो पर. So this is what my English training legally. Then here it is what my engineering legally. Cloudera. Next, here we go with my educational masters in English, bachelor's in computer applications, IELTS, diploma in computer applications. And here we go with my personal details. Here we go in front of you. Short and sweet. ज़्यादा एड़े चले नहीं. This is also the kind of formats. ऐसे भी आप लोग कर सकते हैं. So I'll send you the both. ये वाला भी और बाकी का भी आपको मैं send कर दूंगा. Okay.
So we should make the resume in Google or
Google Docs.
Pardon?
okay. We should make a resume in Google Docs or in Word.
You can make it in Word. That will be much more easier.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it will be much more easier to have it. So you can make it in on WordPad. Oh, sorry, what do you say? Microsoft Word or something.
Okay,
It will
sir.
be quite easy. Yeah. All right, let's go. On. When do we use on? For surface, correct?
Surface.
Does anyone know where he is? Does anyone know where is he? Okay, second one is much more correct. But we can say the first one as well. We can say first one as well. It is the same. The reverse rule is coming there. Does anyone know where he is? Does anyone know where is he? But the correct one is the second one. Is he? Because we are asking a question. Yes or no?
Yes.
Does anyone know where is he? Does anyone know where is he?
Yes.
Is he? Question है ना? Is he? Much more correct.
But the main question is that does anyone know? This is the main question. This is not the main that where he is.
मैंने क्या बोला मैडम? आपने अभी सुना नहीं. रिवर्स रूल है वो करेक्ट है. मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Does anyone know where he is? Okay? Does anyone know where he is? यहाँ पे रिवर्स रूल है. ये करेक्ट है. मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं. Does anyone know where is he? बट ये जो क्वेश्चन आप कर रही हैं, मेन तो क्वेश्चन ये है ना आपका. Does anyone know? क्या किसी को पता है कि क्या पता है कहाँ है वो? तो वह कहाँ है वो? वेयर इज ही? वेयर इज ही? अभी आप अगर किसी को क्वेश्चन करना है, लेट्स हैव अ लुक हियर. इफ यू वांट टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन टू समवन, आपके अब्बा कहाँ हैं, तो इंग्लिश में कैसे पूछेंगे?
Where is your father?
वेयर
Is your father?
Your father.
आप ऐसे नहीं बोल सकती मैडम.
Where your
Where
father
your-
is.
Where your father is.
इस बाद में नहीं लगाना है, पहले लगाना है. तो यहाँ पे बाद में क्यों लगाया? ऐसे नहीं लगा सकते मैम.
No.
अभी का
अभी गया वहां से. क्यों? क्योंकि उसने इसकी वजह से रिवर्स रूल अप्लाई किया वहां पर. Simple.
वो जो मैंने भी मूवी जो देखा था ना जिसमें से क्वेश्चन किया था उसमें यही लाइन थी.
हाँ हाँ, वो रिवर्स रूल अप्लाई हो रहा है. मैं मना कहाँ कर रहा हूँ, वही तो बोल रहा हूँ. गेटिंग इट?
Yes, sir.
दोनों भी करेक्ट है, बट ग्रामेटिकली जो है ये ज्यादा करेक्ट है. क्यों? क्वेश्चन है ना, इसके लिए.
Okay.
Does anyone know where is he?
Is he?
Does anyone know where he is? So क्वेश्चन के लिए हम लोग हमेशा रिवर्स रूल करते हैं. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. On we are using for surface. Now we are going to use on for some other things as well, like activities, emotions, and ideas. For example, on bus, on the first floor, on the way from A to B. So I'm on the way. Is that surface? Not exactly, but the idea. I'm on the way. I'm on a mission. I say in my videos, I'm on a mission. I say in my writings, I'm on a mission. So I'm on a mission means what? I'm on a mission. मैं mission पर हूँ. तो on a mission surface है क्या? No, idea है. Correct?
Yes,
I'm on the clouds. I'm on the clouds nowadays. I'm on the clouds means what? आजकल मैं बहुत हवा में हूँ. बोल सकते हैं. Getting it? I'm on. So for example, we can say AB de Villiers is on fire. He's on fire. On fire मतलब है नहीं अंगार पे क्या?
No,
नहीं
sir.
नहीं, उसका मतलब है नहीं स्ट्राइक पे हो, वो जबरदस्त देने वाला है. So this is what? On. So we can use on here for activities, emotions, and ideas as well. For example, on a bus, on a train, on a plane, on a ship. For example, did he come here on the bus? Yes. Next, on the ground floor, on the first floor. On the ground floor, on the first floor. The office is on the ground floor. The office is on the first floor. I'm standing on the third floor. Next, on the way to work, on the way home. On the way to work, on the way home. I met Anna on the way to work. I met Anna on the way home. Home के लिए टू नहीं लगता है, आपको भी पता है. Can you please give me some sentences with on? For example, he's on a mission. She's on fire. इसके लिए बोलता हूँ इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स थोड़ा बहुत सुनो, आप लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखने को मिलेगा. कुछ तो भी सीखने के लिए मिलेगा, थोड़ा बहुत तो भी. क्या पता आपको कुछ मिल ही जाए. On. Make sentences please with on.
She's on a drive.
Yeah, he's on diet. Very good.
You can blame on me.
You can blame.
You can
On-
fix stuff or break stuff via coding. Coding is just great.
हाँ, ये सुनो रे, ये भी देखो. आज जाते आते ये भी एक चीज देख के जाना. हाँ. You can fix stuff or you can just do anything. Coding is great. बच्ची को मालूम नहीं क्या है coding.
My name is Arashi Shah. I'm in the grade 7th and I'm 12 years old. I'm developing an app called Pick a Pack, which is basically to end world hunger or like world poverty. You could just donate like probably clothes, food and shoes or whatever you have lying around which you don't really use that often. Probably another person or an NGO will come pick it up and that thing will get distributed. All I need to do is add a link, a database to it so that people from different phones can see what is going on. My thoughts are that if it's in my brain and it's a good idea.
बच्ची क्या कर रही है मालूम है? कोडिंग कर रही है और अभी एक नया ये एडे चालू हो गए उधर. whiteheadjar.com.
Yes, sir. What junior? Yes, sir.
बेचारे शाकिर भाई आपकी फीलिंग्स जरा शेयर करेंगे प्लीज.
कौन सी फीलिंग?
कौन सी फीलिंग? अरे भाई कोडिंग की फीलिंग अपनी.
Coding
अपना
की.
क्या होना था, बच्चे लोग मार्केट में आ रहे हैं अभी अपने. कोडिंग लोगों को टाइम पास लग रहा है, बच्चे लोगों के सर पे बर्डन डाल रहे हैं अभी से 5 साल से. एक वो है एड़ा हो, क्या नाम उसका, शिखर धवन, बोले आज मैं ऐलान करता हूँ, अगर फेसबुक ना होता तो आयशा नहीं मिलती थी, और वो नहीं मिलती थी तो वो जोरावर नहीं मिलता था, और जोरावर नहीं मिलता था तो आज कोडिंग नहीं सीखता था। अरे बाबा क्या है, इतने तो छोटे बच्चे को आप लोग कोडिंग सिखा रहे हैं, यहाँ पे बच्चे लटक रहे हैं, जाके बीसीएस वालों को पूछो आपको कोडिंग आती है, यार छोड़ने जान दे यार, बीसीए वालों को पूछो कोडिंग। और जिसने कहता ना प्रैक्टिकल एडवांस जावा, यार चुप बैठ यार, तू कुछ नको बोलो मेरे को यार, कहो सर पेन ड्राइव दो ना प्लीज, जस्ट अ मिनट, आई एम रियली सॉरी। सो बाय द वे लेट्स गो बैक, अपना ये नहीं है, बिकॉज सी दुकान एक टाइप की है, छोटे छोटे
Yes.
बच्चे लोग को आप लोग सिखा रहे हैं कोडिंग बीटिंग। इन जर्मनी दे डोंट अलाउ द बॉय ऑफ 6.5 years old, they don't allow in the school, not in nursery as well, they do not allow the student of 6.5 year old, 6.5 साल के बच्चे को भी एंट्री नहीं है जर्मनी के अंदर, हकल डालते हैं, और माँ बाप लेके आए तो माँ बाप को गिरा गिरा के मारते, क्यों? यू आर डिस्ट्रॉइंग हिज चाइल्डहुड, आप उस बच्चे के चाइल्डहुड को खराब कर रहे हैं। और अपने इधर क्या है, जैसे 3 साल का हुआ, जैसे उसने बोलता अब्बा ना बोला 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 अब वो नीलोफर उठाती, रप्पी को, रप्पी तुम मेरे है ना, इसको लेके जाओ, मेरे को मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड से बात करने की है, हेलो हाय, अरे गोया मैं उसको धकल के दी उधर, 4 घंटा बैठा मिस उसको उधर। अरे घेमड़ी, सॉरी टू से दिस, माँ का काम होता है बच्चे को वहां नहीं भेजे इतने जल्दी, बिकॉज वो कच्ची उम्र रहती है, and at that age the boy, the girl, the baby boy, the baby girl has great bonding with the parents, especially mother, and mother is sending that child to the school forcibly, सीखेंगा ना उनने, बाजू वाला जाता ना, अबे बाजू वाला जहन्नम में भी जा रहा, तुम भी जाएंगे क्या? never do this one. never do this silly mistake, बिकॉज वो बच्चा क्या करता है वहां पे, अभी ओ नहीं जा रहा, डेढ़ हकल के ऐसा ऐसा पल्लू छुड़ाती, छोड़ मेरी साड़ी जा रही, मैं अभी वो मिस बिटाओ, तुम्हारे को पैसे देने से अब्बा ने बिटा उधर, अब जा रही घेमड़ी उधर, अब वो बच्चा उधर अम्मी अम्मी अम्मा, अब वो अम्मी अम्मी करके रो रहा उधर, वो बच्चा क्या करता है मालूम, पूरे दिन भर, अब वो बच्चा बैठ के कहाँ सोचता है मालूम आपको, वो बच्चा पूरा दिन बैठकर स्कूल में यही सोचता है कि मेरी माँ मेरे से प्यार नहीं करती, मेरा बाप मेरे से प्यार नहीं करता, मेरे को धक्का यहाँ पर देकर गए। बड़ा होने के बाद में वो बच्चा बागी क्यों नहीं बनेगा? वो हमारा रफीक तो बहुत शरीफ है बचपन 3 साल के स्कूल में डाला लेता हमने, पीछे की सरकारी स्कूल पीली, क्यों? बहुत उतारता उन्हें बहुत उतारता उसको, हम लोगों ने बता एक फोटो बता, वीडियो बता, हाँ ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार, आ वाह वाह क्या बोला था उन्होंने, चेंज द मेंटालिटी, सॉरी प्लीज चेंज द मेंटालिटी, मेंटालिटी चेंज कीजिए, वरना फ्यूचर में आपको आपका जनरेशन पकड़ के मारेगा, बोलेंगे तुम ही थे जिन्होंने मेरी जिंदगी बर्बाद की। हियर आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू, मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, ये कोडिंग का नाम आया इसके लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं इसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ, हमारी जिंदगी, हमारी तो नहीं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, क्योंकि हम तो शाने थे पहले से, 1.5 शाने थे हम लोग, तो 1.5 शाना जो रहेगा वो जीत जाएगा, जो बेचारा सीधा राह चलने वाला है ना वो नहीं जीतेगा। सीधा राह का मतलब मेरा ये है कि ऐसे जो एकदम शामुल रहेगा ना, एकदम मीठे टाइप में बोलो ना सर तुम्हारे काम करने के अभी करके लाके हमारे सर ने क्या किया, हम लोग को कोडिंग ऐसी पढ़ाए थे, कैसी बुक लेते थे, ऐसे बुक लेते थे, कोडिंग बोलते थे, लिखो रे, बोर्ड के ऊपर लिखते थे पूरा ऐसा, रुक 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 रुक, तीसरी लाइन इसमें नहीं है अरे तुम ज्योग्राफी पढ़ा रहे, हिस्ट्री पढ़ा रहे, कोई थ्योरेटिकल सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा रहे, कोडिंग पढ़ा रहे भाई, क्या कर रहे, कोडिंग लॉजिकली होती है, 3rd ईयर के स्टूडेंट को नहीं आ रही कोडिंग, सॉरी टू से दिस, यहाँ पे 5 साल के बच्चे को बोल रहे, यू नो व्हाई आवर small kids are coding, oh my god what the hell, oh my god, where are the hell these engineers are going? India is producing every year India is producing more than 10 lakhs or I can say more than 50 lakhs engineers per year. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
You can go and you can check out the Economic Times. India is producing more than lakhs of engineers every day. Where the hell are they going to go? कहाँ जाएंगे वो लोग? क्या करो यार इंजीनियरिंग करके? इंजीनियर लोग का कचरा हो गया एकदम. क्यों? Nobody is giving jobs. हर गली में इंजीनियर, हर गली में इंजीनियर, हर गली में इंजीनियर. क्या है? व्हाइट हाइट जार वाला अगर आप लोग कुछ पूछेंगे उसके हिस्ट्री निकालो, उसको कौन था तू? बोले आई वाज कंप्लीटली आई हैड नथिंग टू डू. जब मेरे पास में कुछ नहीं था तो मैंने क्या किया? कोडिंग का क्लास स्टार्ट कर दिया ऑनलाइन, और लोगों ने एडे के ऐसे उसको प्रमोट करना स्टार्ट किया. मुझे एक बात बताओ, बच्चे ने अगर सीख भी लिया, मैं एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, मैं आपको सिर्फ ये बता रहा हूँ कि आपका दिमाग का इस्तेमाल कीजिए. क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? वो बच्चे ने अगर सीख भी लिया, चलो कोडिंग सीख लिया उसने 7 साल की उम्र में, अब वो कोडिंग से क्या करेगा? सॉफ्टवेयर बनाएगा. क्या करेगा इसे सॉफ्टवेयर का? किसको देगा? कहाँ पे बेचेगा? क्या करेगा? क्या लोग क्यों लेंगे उसके पास से? क्यों लोग लेंगे? वजह है ना, सोचने वाली बात है. तो कुछ भी अड़े कैसे बच्चे के ऊपर बर्डन न डालिए, उनको क्रिएटिविटी कराइए. अपने यहाँ पे जो क्रिएटिविटी कराते उसके अंदर भी गलत सिस्टम है. वहाँ पे क्या करते, छोटा बच्चा रहता ताना पापा, उसको बोलते तू थर्मोकोल का बंगला बना कर ला. अरे वो नहीं बना सकता है. उसको स्टफ किस चीज के देना चाहिए आप लोगों ने? हमारे यहाँ पे बोलते क्या करूँ सर, उन्हें पढ़ता नहीं. उसको आगे बिठाओ ना सर. आके मेरे पास में टीचर्स ऐसे बोलते हैं, अरे आके बिठा के क्या करूँगा जब उसको दिमाग में कचरा भर के रखा है आप लोगों ने. सर एक काम करो, आप उसको 2-3 लपड़ लगा डालो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. तुम मेरे से बोलना, तुमने मारे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बोला मैं मारता नहीं क्योंकि आज का जनरेशन अलग है. हो सर तुम मेरे को नीचे मिलो. कौन सी गाड़ी रेस की? पूना कॉलेज के अपन छोड़ेंगे थोड़ी.
सही है सर.
सही
नहीं
है.
नहीं करता. यहाँ पे मेंटालिटी चेंज करना आपका काम है. याद रखो, अगर आप बच्चों को अगर ये चीज सिखाएंगे कभी आगे नहीं जाएंगे. कितने लोगों ने आपको ये बताया था ABCD का ओरिजिन क्या था, 1 2 3 का ओरिजिन क्या था, क्लॉक का ओरिजिन क्या था? क्या आपको बचपन में पढ़ाया है किसी ने? किसी ने नहीं पढ़ाया. इसकी वजह से अपने दिमाग के अंदर अपन आज भी मेंढे. सॉरी टू से दिस. बाय द वे टॉपिक कहीं से कहीं और चले गया बेचारी आरोही के चक्कर में.
एक और ऐड है, मैं बोला उसने तो सीधा ऐप बनाया था, मतलब बच्चा है.
सॉन्ग के अंदर बोल रहा है वो. We'll walk again. लिरिक्स सुनो उसका. Hand in hand. We'll walk again. In wind and rain. There's no way to end. No reason to blame. These feelings on fire. आगे का मत सुनो. तुम्हारे भाभी के बारे में बोल रहा. चलो. On. Can you please use sentences with on faster? I want you to finish these sentences with on. On with feelings, ideas, etc.
We can do work on it.
Yes.
There is a spider on the roof.
Good.
I am on the train.
Good.
The picture is on the wall.
On the wall. Please try to make some sentences with ideas.
Idea.
He is on a drive.
On drive. Okay. On long drive. On drive. Yeah.
He is on a plane.
He's on a plane.
He's on a car.
He's on a car. ऐसे कभी बोल सकते हैं. कार के लिए इन लगता है, ऑन भी लगता है.
He's in a car.
He's in a car.
He's on a bus. Yeah.
He's on a bus. Yes, continue.
I am on the way to your home.
And I'm on the way to your home. To your home. Okay. Yes, jaldi. I'm on the way your home. Continue.
I'm on the 6th floor of this building.
I'm on the 6th floor of the building. I'm on the 6th floor of the building. Yes.
On the 6th floor of the building.
Yes. On.
Sir,
He is
what
on
about
fire.
He's got on fire. right?
Sir, what
Yeah,
about
miss.
onto and upon?
Onto and upon. What's the difference between onto and upon? ये हमारा भी आगे आने वाला है, वो कराऊंगा मैं आपको, अभी नहीं, वरना भी अपने स्टूडेंट्स जो है फिलहाल में हो जाएंगे कुछ और टल्ली। ऑन टू अपॉन इसके आगे आने वाले से प्रीपोजिशंस हैं अभी अपना बाकी। विल गेट बैक टू यू सूनर। चलो कंटिन्यू प्लीज विथ ऑन। शाकिर भाई,
I'm on your shop.
I'm on your shop. Not exactly,
You,
I'm at your shop.
I'm at
you
your
will find the office on the 8th floor.
Correct. On the office, on the 8th floor. My office is on the 8th floor. They are standing on the road, on the way, on the top of the car, on the top of the car, on the wall. Yes. For example, I want to stick a sticker on the speaker. Speaker पे. Continue. On.
The tea fell on my shirt.
Correct. The tea fell on my shirt.
It's
She's going
gorilla
on an
glass on
elevator.
One by one.
She is going on an elevator.
Correct. She's going on an elevator. Very good. Why are we using here on an elevator? Because we're elevator going upper. Continue. Adnan.
It's gorilla glass on my mobile.
Correct. Gorilla Glass is on my mobile.
I find that he will be on time.
Correct. He will be on time. On time.
So
What do you mean by
elevator is lift and escalator is travelator, right?
pardon?
Elevator is lift and escalator is traveler, right?
Correct. Escalator is what automated stairs which we have on the airports, in the malls and all.
So the second word is travelator, right? For escalator.
Yeah. Travelator. It is an American word. Like for example, we have elevator, right? For
lift.
Correct. Same case. Chalo, what do you mean by in time and on time? Who can tell me the difference between in time and on time? Shakir bhai.
On time मतलब exact time तो हो गया.
Exact time.
वो तो मैंने
In time मतलब पहुंचना के time.
हाँ.
मतलब जो भी टाइम अपन ने फिक्स किए उससे 1-2 मिनट पहले पहुंच गए हो.
2 मिनट पहले खाली.
मतलब उसके थोड़ा पहले.
हाँ कुछ देर पहले
टाइम में बराबर.
Correct. टाइम के अंदर you have to finish your exam in time. अब टाइम कितना है एग्जाम का? 3 hours.
3 घंटे.
You have to finish your exam in time. 3 घंटे के अंदर. Please be on time. मतलब है नहीं, बराबर 3 बजे. बराबर 3 बजे.
सर आगे हुआ तो उसके
Pardon?
आगे हुआ तो क्या बोल रहे हो?
आगे हो तो खाली बुक के खाने का फिर दे दू. क्या हजरत सवाल आपके? अच्छा, पूना कॉलेज में भी बाउंसर्स है कि नहीं वो?
नहीं है सर.
अच्छा, तो आजकल आप ही है मतलब
हाँ
बाउंसर?
सर.
आजकल आप ही बाउंसर उधर?
नहीं.
अच्छा, झगड़े वगैरह होते कि नहीं अभी भी गिरा के मार के?
अभी बंद है ना कॉलेज सर.
अच्छा, मतलब खुलने के बाद हो जाएंगे मतलब वापस. चलो ऐसा बाप रे. Continue.
The bird is on the tree.
The bird is on the tree. Yes.
The shop is on the left side.
The shop is on the left side. Yes.
She is laying
Shyam.
on the bed.
Yes.
She is laying on the bed.
Correct. On bed. Laying on the bed. Yes.
The nest is on the tower.
The nest is on the tower.
The building is on the main road.
The building is on the main road. Okay. Anyone else with on?
We
Any
are
sentence?
going there on her nose.
On her nose.
Nose.
On her nose. Yes.
Sir, I have a
Okay.
question.
Please ask.
So what is the difference between अपना saloon और parlor? Yeah.
Simple. Who can tell this difference? Saloon and parlor. Ladies can tell you much more better. Sanya and Shreya.
मेंस
Saloon
पार्लर
and
भी रहता है ना सर, मतलब एक शॉप पे.
समझ सकता हूँ मैं आप भावना की बहन को. Yes, ladies. मना तो करना ही मत.
So salon is meant for hairdresser probably, and in parlor they'll be giving all the facilities.
Simple सा आंसर है यार, कहाँ इतना वो है. Parlor, especially we have parlor for each and every,
makeup and all.
or for ladies and for men as well. Ladies लोग का सैलून नहीं देखा होगा आप लोगों ने जनरली. देखा है कि कभी?
No
बोले
sir.
टकली करते इधर. नहीं ना?
No sir.
So salon we have for especially for men, and even we have parlor for men as well. But what do you mean by parlor? Parlor means what you are going to have each and everything over there. Manicure, pedicure, pedicure, क्या क्या रहता है ना आपके. इधर से टकला करो, इधर से हनी सिंह बनाओ, इधर से खड़ा करके बंदर बनाओ, इधर से लाल कलर मारो, इधर पीछे से मारो, कटिंग मारो, बॉडी मसाज करो. बहुत सारी चीजें होती है उसके अंदर. स्पा वगैरह बहुत कुछ रहेगा. That's what parlor means. Each and everything will be there. That's parlor. Same case barber and hairdresser. Hairdresser a hair stylish, खाली hair dressing करता है वो. And parlor के अंदर आपकी पूरी बॉडी का भी आ जाएगा उसके अंदर. अभी जैसे कि अभी शाकिर भाई की दूसरी है अभी, तो शाकिर भाई कहाँ जाएंगे? पार्लर में जाएंगे. करेक्ट? शाकिर भाई की कभी वाइफ ने अगर कभी सुनी तो शाकिर भाई तो गए समझो उसी दिन. Continue now. Here we go. To, in and at. Very easy. बहुत ही easy है ये. इतना easy यूनिट है ना के पास. अरे easy. To का मतलब क्या होता है? ट्रांसलेशन नहीं होता इंग्लिश में. ये बात मुझे मेरे भाई ने बताया था, गौस ने. तो टू का कोई ट्रांसलेशन इंग्लिश में होता नहीं है. ओके. टू का मतलब होता है को, देखने गए तो, पर वो भी उसका रियल ट्रांसलेशन नहीं होता है. सो टू, इन एंड एट क्या होता है, कैसा होता है, कब होता है, ये हम लोग देखेंगे कल के लेक्चर में. ऑलराइट, we'll see you tomorrow. And if you have any questions, you can ask me directly. क्या भाई? आवाज नहीं आ रहा है मुझे आपका.
क्या टू का?
कल बताने वाले बोले टू का.
टू का क्या होता है आपने सर?
को
स्टार चलेगा.
कल 2 बजे स्टार प्लस पे शो है अपना, आ जाना. जिस बंदे ने अभी तक की पूरी टिकट कटाया नहीं, वो क्लास से कट सकता है.
नहीं सर, हम कर देंगे.
मैंने एक मैडम को ऑलरेडी रवाना कर चुका हूँ. बाय बाय. चीरियो.
Cheerio sir. Assalamu alaikum.